Hi everyone, I will explain about abstract class in Java. Before learn abstract class, I will discuss about abstraction. What is abstraction? It is a process of hiding the implementation details, showing only functionalities to the user that is called as an abstraction. It shows only essential things to the user. It hides the internal details. I will give the real-time example of the abstraction. How the keyboard has been manufacturing, we do not know. But what are the features of the keyboard, we should know. That is also be considered as abstraction. There are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. One is way is abstract class, another one is interface. Then let me discuss about abstract class. An abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. Abstract class is a class which is incomplete and can't be instantiated. It means that we can't create the object to the abstract class. The abstract class encapsulates the common behaviors of all its child classes with help of abstract methods. All the abstract methods has to be implemented in their child classes. Concrete classes which extends an abstract class must implement all abstract methods. Otherwise, they should be made abstract as well. If a class contains at least one abstract method, the class should be abstract. If the class is having the abstract method, that class must be declared as abstract. A class can made abstract even without any abstract methods. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods also. Abstract classes consist of abstract methods and non-abstract methods. It can have constructors and static methods also. These are the important points regarding the abstract class. A method which is declared as abstract and doesn't have implementation is known as abstract method. See the syntax. This class has been declared as abstract. It is consist of one abstract method. That method has been declared as an abstract. These abstract method has to be implemented in child class. Abstract method doesn't have any implementation in abstract class. Those methods has to be implemented in child classes. Then what scenario we use abstract class? The common structure has to be defined in the abstract class. Those must be implemented, mandatory to implement all those methods in child classes. See this problem statement. Calculate the annual salary for both manager and developer and create the abstract class with employee, which is consist of these three attributes, and these two are the abstract methods. The common properties have been defined in the abstract class. Those abstract methods must be implemented in both child classes, the manager and developer. In such example, we will use abstract class. Then I will explain with practically. See this example. Employee has been declared as an abstract class, three instance variables. Then have taken the constructor to initialize these instance variable, employee name, employee ID, basic salary of the employee. Then I have taken two abstract methods. The calculate bonus has been declared as an abstract. Calculate annual salary method has been declared as abstract. These two abstract method doesn't have any implementation. Those methods have been implemented in child classes. Then display the information about the employee. The employee may be manager, the employee may be developer. Look at this. The manager class extends employee. The manager is a derived class which has derived from employee class. Here it is consist of constructor, employee name, employee ID, the basic salary. The super keyword is used to invoke the constructor of immediate parent class. Then this constructor will get executed. Calculate the bonus of manager. The bonus is 25 percentage multiplied with basic salary. Calculate annual salary of manager. Base salary plus calculate bonus. Then bonus will also be added in the basic salary. Then we have to calculate the annual salary of manager. Then when it comes to the developer class extends employee. The developer class is a derived class of an employee. It is also be consist of constructor to call the immediate parent class. The parent class is an employee. The employee name, employee ID, basic salary. Here also we calculate the bonus of developer 15 percentage multiplied with basic salary. Calculate annual salary of developer, the basic salary plus calculate the bonus. Comes to the main method. I'm creating the instance to the manager. The reference have been created to the abstract class, but we can't create the instance to the abstract class, but we create the reference to the abstract class. While creating the instance, we provide three values: employee name, employee ID, basic salary. Instance have been created to the developer class. The reference type is also be employee. I provided three different values: employee name, employee ID, basic salary. Then I display the information for the manager. Then manager reference variable dot display information. The method has to be called by using the reference variable manager. The display information for the developer, I call display information method by using this reference variable. Abstract class is consist of abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Abstract method doesn't have any implementation, but the concrete method have the implementation in abstract class. Let me run this application, compile the source code. No errors to be found in source code. Run the application. Java space abstract example. Display information for manager, name, ID, basic salary, bonus, annual salary of manager. Display information for developer, name, ID, basic salary, bonus, annual salary of developer. The common methods has been defined in the parent class, which has to be implemented in both child classes, manager and developer. Any doubt regarding the abstract class, you may contact through the comment box. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.